Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nachos tomato sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1 small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon each of chili powder and cumin, and 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Salt to taste will complete our flavor profile. Now, let's start building our delicious sauce base. Begin by finely dicing your small onion and mincing the 2 cloves of garlic. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add the diced onion to the pan and sauté it for about 5 minutes, or until it becomes soft and translucent. Then, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until it releases its wonderful aroma. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to add the main components. Pour the 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes into the saucepan and stir everything together thoroughly. Now, incorporate 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin, mixing them in completely. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Our nacho tomato sauce is almost ready. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped cilantro. Taste the sauce and season with salt as needed, adjusting to your preference. This fresh addition brightens the entire flavor. Serve your warm, homemade nacho tomato sauce generously over crispy tortilla chips for an amazing snack or appetizer. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.